Welcome to AVR Teachings YouTube channel. I am going to explain classification of control systems. Control systems may be classified in a number of ways. Depending on hierarchy, control systems are classified as open loop control systems, closed loop control systems, optimal control systems, adaptive control systems, learning control systems. Depending on the presence of human being as a part of control system, they are classified as manually controlled systems, automatic control systems. In manually controlled system, human interaction is there. Depending on the presence of feedback, control systems are classified as open loop control systems, closed loop control systems. In open loop control systems, we don't have any feedback. In closed loop control system, we have feedback. According to the main purpose of the system, control systems are classified as position control systems, velocity control systems, process control systems, temperature control systems, traffic control systems, etc. This classification based on the applications. Based on method of analysis and design, control systems are classified as linear control systems and non-linear control systems. In linear control systems, superposition principle is applied. Non-linear control system, superposition principle is not applied. Next, based on the type of the signal, control systems may be classified as time variant control systems, time invariant control systems, continuous data control systems, discrete data control systems, etc. AC control systems, DC control systems also comes under this classification. Based on the number of inputs and outputs, control systems are classified as single input and single output control systems. Shortly we are calling as SISO. Multiple input and multiple output control systems. Shortly we are calling as MIMO. Based on the type of the system components, control systems may be classified as electromechanical control systems, hydraulic control systems, thermal control systems, pneumatic control systems, etc. Depending on the number of poles of the system, control systems are classified as type 0 control systems, type 1 control systems, type 2 control systems, etc. Next classification, depending on the order of the differential equation, they are classified as first order control systems, second order control systems, etc. The last one, depending on the type of damping, that is the zeta damping ratio value, control systems are classified as undamped control systems, underdamped control systems, critically damped control systems, and overdamped control systems. Thank you for watching AVR Teachings YouTube channel. Please subscribe and share, like and comment.